Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Anne-Marie Vita Clibon. I'm 27 years old, single, and I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. And
you're the number
3.
You're the number 3. You have 3 sisters, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what is your educational background?
I have 2 bachelor's degrees. I finished BS Biology in 2003, and I finished BS Nursing in 2005, and being licensed up 2006.
Okay. Do you have any working experience as a helper?
Yes, sir. During the time that I was studying BS Biology, I worked as a domestic helper in my cousin's home. At the same time, they sent me to school.
Okay, that means you are a working student.
Yes.
So I also learned that you have worked in Taiwan.
Yes, sir.
How long you have worked in Taiwan?
I work in Taiwan for 2 months only, sir.
Why just 2 months?
Because my employer's father died of diabetes and cardiorespiratory arrest, sir.
Okay, he was bedridden?
Yes, sir, with bed sore.
Oh, I see. With that sore.
Yes, sir.
But you have to turn?
Yes, I turn him from back to back every 2 hours.
Every 2 hours?
Yes.
You have to feed him?
Yes, I feed him, I bathe him, I give him medicines, I change his clothes, I change his diapers. All the nurses' duties that is being done to the patient.
Alright, okay. So, you are a Bachelor of Science in Nursing?
Yes, sir.
So you passed the what exam?
Yes, sir. 2006.
You
I got
are
my
a
license.
licensed nurse?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why you want to work in Hong Kong?
First, I want to work in Hong Kong for greener pasture. I want to help my family. Since nurses are flooding in the Philippines, there are not enough jobs for us here. So I'll try my luck in Hong Kong and eventually get a good employer if possible.
Okay, that means even you passed, you have the license, you are a licensed nurse, also you could not find a job here, right?
Yes, sir, I know.
There's no job opportunity.
Yes, sir.
So as a domestic helper, can you describe the job that you will do?
Yes, sir. I will clean the house. I will clean the house. I will tutor the children. I will take care of the house. I will do the laundry. I will do the ironing. I will do the gardening. I will wash the car.
Okay.
I will feed the dogs and also bath the dog if the employer will told me to do so.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook, but I'm not particular with the Chinese food. But I will try to learn and try.
You know
to
how to do the marketing?
Yes, I know how to do the marketing.
How do you know the fish is fresh?
I will check the eyes and the gills.
Alright,
of
and
the fish.
what home appliances you can operate?
I can operate vacuum, microwave, washing machine, oven, rice cooker, and computer also if the children will allow me to do so.
Okay. So what you need to do before you go to school?
First, I will check the appliances. If there is if the appliances is currently plugged, I will unplug them if not in use. Second, I will check the family members if they are already in. And third, I will check also the windows if it's and I will close it as well.
Okay. You have experience to take care of the children?
Children, no, but adolescents like 12 years old and up. But if there is children, I will try my best to take care of them.
Okay. What are the most important things to take care of the children?
The most important thing to be taken care of the children is their security and safety. Because my employer entrusted them to me, so I will take care of them with my whole heart. Because it's very dangerous to keep relaxed. I have to keep my eyes on them.
Okay. If the 2 children, they are fighting in the house, what are you going to do?
Okay. I will talk to them in a low tone voice and I will differentiate the right and wrong and the bad from the good, so they will grow up to be a good, fine boy or girl.
Okay. If your employer, they are not at home and the child has a fever, then what will you do?
Okay, I will hold the children to his to the fever points, like this, to the neck, and then or the body, and then I will call my employer, and if the temperature is high, I will inform the employer about the situation of the children, or I can sing him lullaby. I can sing him lullaby or make his story to pacify his condition.
Okay. How can you maintain the good relationship with your employer?
Okay. I will be honest, trustworthy, hardworking, patient, efficient to my work, and I will respect all his rules and regulations and laws so as to create a good relationship with my employer.
Do you know how to take care of the newborn baby?
I have no experience taking care of newborn baby, but if that is the employer will tell me to do so, I will try my best to take care of a newborn baby.
So when you study the Bachelor of Science in Nursing, have you been applied to take care of the baby?
Yes, when we had the duty in pediatric nursing, we are exposed to children with these different disabilities and ailments. And the situation is kind of different from the other because they are very sick.
Oh, okay. All right. Are you afraid of the dog and cat?
With dogs, I'm not afraid, but with cats, I'm afraid.
You're afraid of the cat?
Yes.
Okay. So if you are cooking in the kitchen and your employer call your name, so what will you do?
Okay, I will put off the gas stove and I will go immediately to my employer.
Okay. If there is a stranger ring the doorbell and ask you to open the door, so what will you do?
No, I'm not gonna open the door. I will call my employer first to talk to the stranger.
Can you tutor the children about their homework?
Yes, I can do the tutoring to the children.
Okay. Do you mind your day off will not be on Sunday?
It's okay, sir, if the employer will tell me.
All right. Do you have any message for your future employer?
Dear sir, madam, I recommend myself to you because I know I'm capable of the household chores like cleaning the house, taking care of your children, taking care of the house, and marketing, everything. And you can entrust me with your children, and I promise to be trustworthy and honest with you.
Good, thank you.
Okay.